Are you looking to buy a house with a big lot in Las Vegas? Las Vegas real estate in general, all homes are tract homes. As you see around, it's being developed by national builders, and you do have options, however, they are not unique. 80% of Las Vegas houses are tract homes based on the size, single story or two story, and there are some features that you can choose. However, if you're looking for a big lot, there are few pockets within the area, Henderson, North Las Vegas, and Las Vegas, that you may still be able to find a house with the quarter-acre lot, half-acre lot, or larger. Those are far in between, and the prices have gone up tremendously. There's advantages and disadvantages to a big lot. Number one advantage, you're not an HOA. Most of the properties do not have community HOAs, therefore you don't pay any fees monthly. One of the disadvantages, most of these homes are older neighborhoods. The houses are older and they have not been kept up to date based on the maintenance. Therefore, be cautious and look around, check out your budget, and then go from there. Any questions about real estate? Follow me, Mike and Team Tchobanian.